Building a boat from cardboard coated with fiberglass and a remote control motor.
I wonder if it works in water. Hello guys, today I built a boat. It's been a few days since we started, but we're going to test it in the lake today. Hey guys, we're just going to test the boat underwater. We hope it doesn't sink. We hope it floats. We're going to test if the propeller works, but we don't have a rudder on it yet. The motor is working, but we don't have a rudder. Okay guys, we're going to launch the boat. There it is. Reverse it. Is it working? I don't think it works on reverse really. I know it looks blue in the YouTube video, but it's actually green.
No.
Can it go forward? Maybe turn it over. The propeller is almost hitting the bottom.
It's stuck.
Look at that. Ocean. Are you sure this is going?
It won't go underwater. It's not strong enough. It needs a stronger battery.
Oh.
It's floating okay.
Yeah, it's floating. I wonder if there's any water in it. Okay guys, the propeller didn't work because of the paint. And I think we need a stronger battery. So we're going to fix that and test it again. Don't forget to look out for the next video testing it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!